Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. Dr. Scholl's Prevent Pain Protective Insoles. If you suffer from foot, knee, or lower back pain, or if you're looking for the best shoes for hip pain relief, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with an overview of this fantastic product. Dr. Scholl's Prevent Pain Protective Insoles are designed to protect against foot, knee, and lower back pain. They are specially crafted to promote foot health and wellness. These insoles are a game changer for anyone who's been struggling with discomfort and pain in their lower body. Now, let's dive into the key features that make these insoles stand out. These insoles are the only proven solution to prevent three common lower body pains: foot, knee, and lower back pain. They work by reducing muscle-induced joint stiffness and strain. Dr. Scholl's insoles provide a combination of cushioning, support, and shock absorption. This helps defend against muscle co-contraction, which often leads to lower body joint pains. The insoles offer impact-absorbing cushioning, protecting your feet from becoming sore and achy. They distribute pressure and tension across your entire foot and feature a shock-absorbing heel cup for added support. These insoles are versatile and adjust to your activity level. They're suitable for use before, during, and after fitness activities, as well as during everyday errands that keep you on your feet. Plus, they are trimmed to fit, meaning you can customize them to fit any shoe, from running sneakers to casual shoes and more. Proactive Foot Health Dr. Scholl's believes in proactive and preventative health. These prevent pain insoles are a non-medicinal way to help stop lower body pain before it starts. You can get your hands on Dr. Scholl's Prevent Pain Protective Insoles for just $14.97 per pair. They are available on Amazon with free shipping for Prime members. Plus, there are additional options, like the Dr. Scholl's Extra Support Insoles and Dr. Scholl's Walk Longer Insoles, which you can consider for added support and comfort. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best shoes for hip pain relief or looking to prevent foot, knee, or lower back pain, Dr. Scholl's Prevent Pain Protective Insoles are a fantastic choice. They offer a unique combination of support, cushioning, and shock absorption to keep you comfortable and pain-free throughout the day. That wraps up our review of Dr. Scholl's Prevent Pain Protective Insoles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.